problem I have every time I get mad. I pray to my dad, hoping my soul for grab. God is a plan, he got blueprints in hand. Even Moses took slaves out of slavery land. I pray cause I need to, little sins that just lead to, like people smoking blunts end up shooting needles. At first you eating off them bags like Doritos, then end up hot but crashing down like the Beatles. Like whoop! They say work hard and play hard. The reason why I'm living cause I pray hard. Going ham like Braveheart. Man, I'm living every day above the radar. My heart longs for God's son like hey mom. And I ain't tryna play this out like hey God. Tryna get a reward. This life and death, not a game where you play cards. You a grown man but you still complain. Bible says say la, so stay in your lane. Fiend for God, not cocaine. Christ in my heart sorta like Narcan. People playing God like Charlemagne. I'm done living dark nights like Bruce Wayne. I believe that Jesus is Lord, and everything in the Bible is true claim, man. Follow God, yeah. Follow God, yeah. Follow God, yeah. Following God. Working hard every day, I ain't dying for a pay. For the fat paycheck is for fat bills anyway. Money come, money go, fall from the honeycomb. Living off the word of God and not from the bread alone. Pray I got my head right, making sure I'm fair right. God specifically picked me out like headlights. Drinking that wine and I ain't talking no breast. Like God came in three sorta like bed bug bites. Who you know that walked the water? Who you know that split the seas? Only time they thought they seen it, when they was just on PCP. I know you a God of completion, loving those who love him and draws near when we seek him. If your temple got holes, watch out when it rains, cause the devil got a bucket cause you leaking. Even God went out of his way and lowered the standards. Even all the good we do is a rag in a hamper. God is a perfecter, love that never pampers. Rejected from the heavens, outsider like a camper. Wisdom is embedded, life itself is just a message. Negativity just dead, it type of things that I be dreaded. Don't forget that I just said it cause I'm watched like diabetic. Truthfully, God is trying to rescue you like paramedics. Follow God, yeah. Follow God, yeah. Follow God, yeah. Following God.